Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are today in this video job opportunity from Amazon company, work location Hyderabad, 2 job roles. So let's get started. First, business operations specialist position, work location Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, viewers, basic qualification bachelor degree in any stream, 0 to 48 months of work experience, freshers experience both can apply. Advanced computer literacy in MS Office application, especially MS Excel. And candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, with ability to face external, internal partners in professional and mature manner. Preferred qualification, knowledge of MS Excel, especially macros, interest in e-commerce online business, passion for innovation, automation, operational excellence, attention to detail, high capability to work on different projects in parallel, desire to work in fast-paced challenging environment, passion for delivering great customer experience, excellent analytical problem solving and logical reasoning skills. And candidate need to be flexible enough. We had 24/7 work environment, rotational shifts which changes for 3 to 4 months, and 5 working days, 2 week offs. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide official link in description. Through link you can apply for this particular position. And next job role is seller partner support. Seller partner support, work location Hyderabad. In order to apply for this position, viewers, required eligibility criteria includes any graduation, 3rd level qualification, proficiency in English, must and should, minimum 6 months experience with customer service. Contact center environment would be an advantage but not compulsory. Candidate need to possess demonstration skills to expand skills to new areas. Technical, computers and internet savvy is required. Flexible to use Internet Explorer, MS Office, especially application Excel, Mozilla Firefox. Business acumen in the areas of e-commerce and retail is advantages. Process improvement, awareness and experience, enthusiasm and self-motivated, strong prioritization and time management skills with high degree of flexibility, ability to embrace constant changes with flexibility and good grace. Especially candidate need to possess effective communication, composure and professional attitude, performance record particular with regard to quality and productivity. In the same notification, even they clearly mentioned regarding job responsibilities, which includes demonstrate effective, clear, professional written and oral communication, provide, promote an efficient service to Amazon seller merchants, including appropriate seller issues. So, we need to address seller issues properly, demonstrate excellent time management skills and ability to work independently while using departmental resources, policies and procedures, contribute to positive team environment, proactively aids team members with difficult contact as needed, actively seek solution through logical reasoning, data interpretation skills and identify trends to appropriate channel including improvement suggestions. With other departments, we need to collaborate with other departments such as customer service, merchant investigations or payment teams as required to resolve seller issues and questions. So, the advantage of Amazon is they clearly mention what they are expecting from candidate, desired candidate profile. So, those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position if it is matches to your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. All the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe channel, hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time. Thank you very much.